Today, I'll walk you through how to get dark mode on Snapchat for Android phones, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enable dark mode so you can enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low-light conditions. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. This is the familiar yellow icon with a ghost logo. Take your time, as this is the starting point for our journey. Once you're on the camera page, locate your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to navigate to your profile. This is similar to finding the key to your house. It opens the door to all your settings and preferences. Now that you're in your profile, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates its interface occasionally, but the settings you need will still be there. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled App Appearance. This section is where you can customize how Snapchat looks on your device. Think of it like choosing the paint color for your room. It sets the mood for your entire experience. Once you find App Appearance, tap on it. You will see several options including Always Light, Always Dark, and Match System. Choose the dark theme from these options. After selecting it, a prompt will appear asking you to restart the app. This is a normal step to ensure the changes take effect. Finally, restart the app by closing it completely and then reopening it. You should now see Snapchat in dark mode, providing a sleek and visually appealing interface that's easier on the eyes. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Snapchat for your Android phone. This feature not only enhances your viewing experience, but can also help save battery life. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.